Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, the 17th of October, 2019. Take a look at our homework for this evening. Honors Math, finish up Chapter 2 tests today. Regular Math, we have our Chapter 2 review. That is in our Big Ideas Math book. Our Chapter 2 test is tomorrow. Make sure that we can also use the chapter self-assessment for extra practice. There's an optional review, which is for an extra credit grade in science, last grade of the quarter. We have our matter test tomorrow as well. That matter test will be the first quarter of the fourth grading period. In social studies, we have a government quiz today. Language arts, we need to bring our earbuds. That's optional, as our goal is. We're going to either be doing Free Write Friday, or we're going to be working on our friendly letter to Mrs. Murray. And in literature, we need to read 30 to 45 minutes. We also need to make sure that if you have a homework pass that you've not yet used, you can turn it in for extra credit tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow's the last day of the first 9 weeks. Make sure you get all your ducks in a row. Everyone have a fantastic Thursday night, and go Warriors. Beat the Tigers.